Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Zomedica Pharmaceuticals. Now, what we have seen in this stock is a sharp rise since November 2020 till here we have it's February 10th or 11th 2021, and the stock has given you a rise of 4276%. Now, after such a big rise, you can't expect a stock to go, you know, more in this kind of fashion in a very short duration. This is illogical. Now, I would recommend you to check out my previous video where I have continuously talked about the trend, and I have also said that moving in this kind of manner it's not normal. Something is happening in the market. People have free money and free time and things worked out, but this is not the kind of market which we know a stock market could probably be, right? But in this case, if you are looking at this particular stock, even after a rise of 4000 plus percent, the stock is not falling down, and that's a very good sign. Okay, because we have seen in more and lots of cases that the stock went up and it falls down, okay, in a vertical manner. So this is not happening in this stock. So take a note of it, and if you are holding since, I mean, 6 or 7 cents, then you are really hit the gold mine. Now, what we can see in this particular stock is something like this. It's been consolidating within the range, and we have to stick and we have to respect this current range. And let me tell you, the range which we are talking about is what you have 1 point yeah 1.35 on the downside, and what you have on the upside will be 2.97. Consider it as a $3 mark. Okay, so this is what we are looking at for the time being, and this is very important because if the stock makes a move above $3, then it will be a clear cut breakout and will give a signal that the stock is again ready to go further on the upside. But if it enables to hold at or above 1.35, then the next probable, I would say, support will come at or near 200-day moving average, which is 56 cents. So the risk on the downside will be very high. But looking at the current pattern, let me show it to you. This highlighted area, it's being consolidating in between a range, and that's a very good sign, as I've told you, because this showed strength, and what is happening is specifically a time correction. And if the stock, let's say, go on in between this particular range, which starts from 1.35 on the downside and $3 on the upside, consider yourself lucky and use this opportunity. Okay, so the thing is, don't try to go below 1.35. If it does, then there is no need to hold any position. But if it continues to hold in between these two range, then you may wait, you may add on looking at the price structure, and you can look for $3 if you are a short term. But once it moves at or above $3, then the actual things start, and that's where we can say the rally has again emerged. But for the time being, there is a very strong consolidation that is happening, and this kind of consolidation is actually positive, it's not negative. So take a note of it. And once this consolidation will over, it could take probably couple of days to couple of weeks. Okay, so do not think that it will happen in couple of hours or couple of days. It could probably go on for couple of weeks because the current market situation is volatile, and once things sorted out, you will have a second phase of rally on the upside, but as far as the numbers are concerned, don't try to go below 1.35 and don't think above $3 for the time being. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.